Hey, what's up? What's up, Impact Challenge family? Today I'm going to talk to you guys about how I'm currently building my online business, and at the same time, I'm also working as a full time dishwasher. So, right now, this business that I'm building right now on the side is still just a side hustle, and I'm also working a full time job as a dishwasher at the same time. Okay, I just never really shared it with you guys, so you guys probably don't really know because I never talked about it. I just create videos about education and all that kind of good stuff, but I never really talked about that. Hey, I'm actually working a job, and this business is still a side hustle for me. So I'm on my way to quitting my 9 to 5 job. That's the whole goal, to quit my 9 to 5 job and go full time with this business. But I'm still a dishwasher, a full time dishwasher. In fact, after this video, I'm gonna go to work. So I work like Monday to Friday, from 7, okay, until it's from 7 until 3:30, and then I get Saturday, Sundays off. So the way I usually record this video, I usually record this early in the morning before I go to work, or maybe I record these videos after I come from work, and stuff like that. So yeah, so so that's how I'm basically building my business, so I'm basically doing this on the side, and I have a team back in India that edits my videos and all that, so I pay them monthly. So I take some money off my paycheck. I pay them to do the editing on my videos and everything. When you guys see a bunch of good editing on my videos, that's a team that I have in India. So I pay them about like $300 a month, and stuff like that. And what else? And the way I'm building my business, you guys all know, is through affiliate marketing. Okay, so I basically do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically a way of how you earn a commission for promoting other people's product and services. Okay, so that's what I basically do. So the way I do is that I promote other companies' product and I earn a commission. And specifically, I do high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, I know on this channel I teach you guys how to do affiliate marketing any ways you want. Where you can sell physical product, digital product. It doesn't really matter whatever kind of product you want to sell. But me specifically, I do high ticket affiliate marketing where I sell specifically just digital product. I don't sell physical stuff. I'm specifically digital. I just sell information and stuff like that. So that's how I'm basically building my business right now on the side, and at the same time working a full-time job. So I'm managing both. So the goal for me, is to quit my job. Okay, so that's the whole goal for me. And I know you guys might be like, but haven't you launched this channel like a little while ago? Yes, I did. I launched this channel back in 2023. If I'm not mistaken, let me check my phone. It's on, I think March. So on my channel, you see what it says right there? It says March 24, 2023. That's what it says right there. March 24, 2023. That's when I launched my channel. So March of 2024, 2023 of last year. That's when I launched this YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm still growing every day. You guys can see we are now at 500 and plus subscribers now. So the channel is just growing and it's beautiful. Okay, so and I couldn't be able to do this guys without you guys. Okay, so that's what I'm very happy about, because when I launched this channel, I started from 0 subscriber. Okay, so now we are at 500 plus something. So I'm very happy. So that's who I am. And and fast forward, you guys have to understand that I lost a lot of money. I made a lot of mistake. And if I'll tell you guys how much money I lost, probably like what, $40,000 I've lost so far as a business owner, because I made a bunch of stupid mistakes in the past. So now I'm just fixing those mistakes so I can build my business right and grow my business right. That's the whole goal for me. So I'm a dishwasher, a full-time dishwasher. I'm washing dishes and building my full-time business. And it is frustrating, okay, especially when you really want to quit your job, because I just can't stand working for somebody else for the rest of my life. It just doesn't work for me. For me, it's like I want to do this thing full-time. I want to work from home and build my business full-time. That's the goal for me, is to quit my job. Is to have that financial, time, and location freedom. I'm on my way there. I'm going to get there, okay? So I'm an affiliate marketer and a dishwasher, if you want to call it that. And another thing also I want to talk about is my faith, because I'm a Christian, okay? Like, I don't really talk about it because this is a business channel. I don't talk about my faith too much. I love Jesus, okay, and that doesn't change. And no one, and not you, nobody here can change my faith. That's not going to happen. I love the Lord. I love Jesus. I don't talk about it too much because I pretty stay silent because I want to make sure that I keep this channel, educational and business wise, because it's a business channel. It's not a Christian channel, but I am a true born again Christian. Okay. When I mean born again, I'm not talking just about like, oh, I'm just like a Christian because I go to church. No, I'm a true born again Christian. Meaning when I mean born again, if you're not a Christian, you might not know what it is. Yeah, I've been walking with Jesus for about 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. So 6 years now. I've been saved. So I received the Holy Spirit back in 2019. So that's when I encountered him, here in my bedroom, I love Jesus. I love the Lord. In fact, before this, I was in prayer and I was reading the Bible before this. So if you guys don't like Christians, I'm sorry to break it to you. You're not going to change this. This is something I'm really bold about. I can't really cookie jar with this. I'm a Christian and I will stay a Christian. I will continue to love the Lord until the end of my life, until my last breath in this earth. I love Jesus and I always do. And I know I make mistakes. I make a bunch of stupid mistakes. But Jesus is literally my life. Okay, I literally can't imagine my life without Christ. It's literally, I need him in my life. Have I made a lot of stupid mistakes in my life? Yeah. Have I went back and forth with the Lord, with stuff like that with him, back and forth with the Lord? Yeah, I've had that. But I still love him. That's not going to change. So that's the reason why. And I know this is a business channel. I know it's not a Christian channel. And I'm not trying to get too spiritual with you guys. But this is my faith. And I'm going to talk about it whenever I want to talk about it. If you guys don't like it, you got to go find somebody else. Because I'm not going to fluff around with this. This is who I am. I'm a born-again Christian entrepreneur or Christian business owner, if you guys want to call that. And I love Jesus. Jesus is a center. I love him first before you guys. He's first, you guys are second. That's just what it is. But I still love you guys, but I love him first. He's first and you guys are second. So, yeah. And, yeah, so that's what I do, guys. So, I've lost a lot of money, guys. I lost, probably like I said, $40,000 building this business because I launched this. So, I basically, okay, let me first explain it this way. My channel is called Impact Challenge 2, right? Because I have another channel called Impact Challenge. This is like my second channel called Impact Challenge 2. So I have another one before this. Now, this is my brand, okay? This the brand is Impact Challenge. I want to make sure I make that clear, okay? But my company that I launched back in 2019 is Impact Challenge LLC. So the LLC that I run through is called Impact Challenge LLC. I launched that back, I don't remember exactly. I know it was on March 2 as well. But, I think it was maybe March 5th. I don't remember exactly where, but that's when I launched my LLC. So my LLC itself, I launched it back in 2019. If you go back to the first video that I posted on this channel, I probably said that. If you go back to the first ever video that I've ever created it on this channel, I clearly said that I launched my LLC back in 2019. So yeah, but just because I have that LLC, it doesn't mean I'm doing my business full time. I'm not doing it full time yet. When I go full time with this business, I'm gonna literally let you guys know that, hey, I just quit my job. I'm doing this thing full time. But as of right now, guys, I'm still working the job. I'm building this business on the side. So yeah. So, and I want to continue building a long-term relationship with you guys. And I want to continue helping you guys build your business online with affiliate marketing specifically. Like I said, I'm an affiliate marketer. I don't do drop shipping. I don't do e-commerce. I don't do Amazon FBA. I don't do real estate. I do none of that. I'm a marketer. Okay, I want to make sure I make that clear. So if you guys come to me, don't come to me about question about how do I invest in real estate. If you want to invest in real estate, you got to go find somebody that will teach you that. I'm not going to teach you that. Okay, I'm not a real estate investor. I'm an affiliate marketer, simply an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is basically a way of you promoting other people's product and services and you earn a commission doing it. That's basically what affiliate marketing is. But like I said, you can sell multiple types of product like subscription services, or you can also sell, physical product, digital product, or services. It's a lot of kind of products you can sell, right? Me personally, I only sell digital product, okay, because it's more profitable. Well, digital and subscription, okay. Digital because the profit margin, I can make $1,000 per commission, so which is high ticket affiliate marketing per product that I sell. Because I don't like physical because it's like Amazon's product, 10% off a $5 product. It's not a lot of commission, so that's why I go high ticket and I rather sell digital because digital product, you don't have to worry about the shipping of the product. So companies are willing to pay you more for that. So that's what I do when it comes to digital product. And this is why I love digital product, because there's no product delivery, and you get paid more commission, and I love that. And for subscriptions, I also promote subscription services in the sense that I earn recurring revenue, passive income revenue, and all that kind of stuff. Have I made sales so far? Yeah, so far I've made sales, and maybe the next video after this, I'm going to show you guys maybe how much money I made so far. But because of the FTC guide, the Federal Trade Commission, I don't want to just show commission, because the FTC doesn't like that. If you guys don't know what the FTC is, it's basically the Federal Trade Commission. So they don't just allow us to just show income stream. But if you guys want me to show that to the next video, I probably will, okay? To show you guys how much money I made so far while working a full-time job as a dishwasher. I'm not hiding this from you guys. I'm not running away from this. I'm pretty much honest, and I'm going to post this video. I might not edit it. I might just post it right away, and all that kind of good stuff. Yeah, and that's it. I guess this was it for me to say for this video. But if you guys, what else do I want to say? Because I have to think about all this stuff on top of my head so I can bring it to you guys as a form of a content, And yeah, and okay, let me first talk about, for example, why I also chose affiliate marketing. Well, I was going to say dishwashing, affiliate marketing. Well, the reason why I chose affiliate marketing is because it's pretty hands off. I don't have to worry about customer service. I don't have to worry about shipping. I don't have to worry about inventory. So basically, I'm just literally promoting other people's product and services, and I'm earning a commission doing it. That's what I love about affiliate marketing, because you don't have to worry about creating the product or anything. Okay, companies are already out there. You're just the middleman. You just have to bring traffic, just people, to whatever product you're selling, and you earn a commission. Okay, for example, like if you're an affiliate of, like, let's say Amazon, okay, you just have to bring a customer to Amazon's product, and you refer people to Amazon's product, and Amazon compensates you. Amazon pays you. That's literally what affiliate marketing is, and that's what I love about it. It's pretty beginners friendly, so you can do this, okay, while working a full-time job, because you don't have to create the product. All you have to worry about is the marketing. That's the beauty of what I love about affiliate marketing, if that makes sense, And another thing is, guys, I made a lot of stupid mistake, man. I made a bunch of stupid mistake. I mean, if I sit here and tell you guys that, it's just like I lost $40,000 total so far, because I tried a bunch of nonsense like shiny object syndrome, bought courses after courses, jump on this thing, that thing, trying to get rich quick stuff. But it's part of entrepreneurship, okay? I'm not saying that to discourage you guys. I'm saying that to inspire you guys. Entrepreneurship is not easy, okay? Entrepreneurship is hard. It's difficult. It's gonna eat your life if you're not willing to put your heads up and willing to do this. You're not gonna be successful in this business, okay? Or just any business in general. Understand, this is gonna take a lot of time. It's gonna take a lot of effort. So it's a lot of work. So I just want to make sure I put it out there so you guys understand what it takes to be a business owner, what it takes to be an entrepreneur. Okay, and me, like I said, I lost a lot of money because of my own stupid mistake. So I don't want you guys to go through that, especially when it comes to shiny object syndrome. Don't even waste your time getting into buying courses, buying stuff. Stay focused. If you're building a business right now, you want to be successful, stay completely focused. Okay?